Hi boys and girls, today we're going to do multiplying fractions with whole numbers with a visual model. So the problem that we're going to be looking at is 3.3 fifths times 3. So step 1, we're going to draw a rectangle and make the same amount of columns as the denominator in the fraction. So the denominator in the fraction is 5. So we're going to divide it into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step 2, shade the amount of columns as the numerator in the fraction. This is a visual model of 3/5. So here we're going to shade in 3/5, just like the model shows. Then step 3, create a fraction model as many times as the whole number being multiplied. So the whole number that's being multiplied is 3. So we have 3 models. So this is showing 3.5 times 3. Then we're just going to simply shade in 3/5 for each of these. Right here. 1, 2, 3. This shows 3/5. This shows 3/5, and this shows 3/5 times 3. So this is showing 3/5 times 3. Since all your pieces are fifths, you can count up how many fifths you have. So we count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that equals 9/5. And that is our answer. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do another example. Okay, here's our example number 2. 1/4 times 6. So here we're going to draw a square that's divided into fourths. So we're going to go ahead and do that. 1, and we're going to divide it up into 4. And we're going to shade it in for 1 of the fourths. So this is 1/4. Okay, so we're going to do that times 6. So that means that we're going to do that 6 times. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then we're going to divide it up into fourths. And then we're going to make sure we do 1/4. So we're going to shade in. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to count up how many fourths are shaded in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 fourths shaded in. Later, we're going to figure out how to turn this into a mixed number, but right now we're just looking at models. So later, we will convert this improper fraction, because this is called an improper fraction, because the numerator is greater than the denominator. into a mixed number. You might already know how to do that, but that's what we're going to do. All right. Go ahead and now you can complete the pair deck, and I hope you enjoyed the easiness of this lesson.